So this question says, if y equals kx, where k is a constant, and y equals 24 when x equals 6, what is the value of y when x equals 5? So first and foremost, we have a short question here. And again, on the SAT, if the question is 1 to 3 lines long, it typically means you're going to need to simplify. Okay? So what are we simplifying? Well, we have this equation, y equals kx, right? There's not really anything we can do with that besides the fact that the question tells us that when y is 24, x is 6. So I could use substitution, right? So instead of y equals kx, I can replace that with 24 equals k times 6, right? Just replacing y with 24 and x with 6. And now I can simplify this equation, right? So 24 equals 6k. I divide both sides by 6, and I get 4 is equal to k. Now that's important because the question tells me that k is a constant. So that means that is not going to change. It's a term or quantity that will not change. It's not a variable. So then what's the actual question here, right? What is the value of y when x equals 5? So now we want to figure out what does y equal when x equals 5. We're still going to base this on our y equals kx equation that was given to us. We now know that k is 4, right? Because we just said it's a constant, so it's not going to change. We're told that x is 5, and we know that y equals k times x, or in this case, 4 times 5. So y equals 4 times 5, which is 20, which tells us that y equals 20 when x equals 5, which is what we were looking for, and therefore choice C is the answer.